They said this couldn't be done. Join me with this F66 JCW as I prove them wrong. Okay guys, so as I alluded to at the beginning of the video, we have an experiment with an F66 JCW Mini here. Those that know will know the two things about these cars. One, they're lacking in the noise department, which eagle-eyed amongst you will know we've fixed that in the bonnet area, but not in the exhaust area with this car already. Second thing is it's missing an option for an exhaust, aftermarket option. So what we're doing here today is an experiment for Simon, the owner of this car, who we're using a REMUS exhaust system that some of you will recognise from a previous video. So this is the non-valve system that we're going to put on a valved car to release some noise from the back end. So we're halfway through already, or I am. The old exhaust is off, and in terms of the shape, size, dimensions of the exhaust system, it's completely the same as the non-JCW. The only difference is this bit here. So you have the valved hidden tailpipe, the stealth pipe on the left here, and the wiring associated with that. But otherwise, prior to ordering up the parts, we've sort of sized it all up, checked it all out with the original standard exhaust system of the previous non-JCW car we had in for a REMUS. We're happy that in terms of the hardware it should all fit. We just need to take care of this wiring. The homework that we've done suggests that it's going to produce a soft code but no engine management light, so fingers crossed for that. That's what Simon's hoping for, that's what he's prepared for in us doing this development job on the car. For now, what we're going to do is seal up this connector and hide it behind the scenes. Like I said, it should result in a soft code, so if the car gets scanned there will be evidence that we've disconnected the valve, but it's not going to throw an engine light or give any performance reduction. And we hope to in the future potentially develop some sort of cap to go on that, or better still even a resistor that will make the code disappear. So stay with us on that one. Going to go over to the bench now, quickly take a look at the pipe work that's going on. As I've just said, those that have watched our previous videos on the channel will know this system and recognise it from the last FC6 exhaust video that we had. So REMUS system from the downpipe or GPF back, so this goes right to the back of the rear subframe. So standard flange there, hooked up, rear silencer, their standard cylindrical cannon style, T-shirt cannon style rear silencer, which we all know and love here. So hopefully that should match up to the ram air noise at the front, REMUS noise at the back, bringing back the much needed theatre to this JCW. So stay tuned. Okay, so you've just heard it, confirmation that the REMUS system works not only on the Cooper S, but also on this JCW. So as explained earlier, it does mean that we've deleted the valve from the factory exhaust system, so the wiring's tucked up out of the way. But otherwise, as I said before, dimensions are identical to the S and JCW system, so we've been able to hook up all of the hardware as before, as with always the case with REMUS. Sounds great, and it's just what the customer wanted, brings back the character that the Mini was missing. So stay tuned for the next one. Any of you out there with a Cooper S or a JCW that fancy a piece of the REMUS action for yourselves, drop us an email, find our website, contact page on there. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Until then, stay tuned for the next Mini instalment. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks very much.